older men and younger women make a good match. But when people hear the term older man, they often think of a man that is very old and looking for a much younger lady. Sometimes, though, an older man might only be 1 or 2 years older than his younger woman. That means that a lot of men can be older, even if they would not consider themselves to be, which also means that today's video will be useful to you a lot. So I'm going to be sharing some tips today that will help the older men seduce the younger woman. So if you are thinking of trying your luck with a younger woman, watch this video first. Let's go, like and subscribe. Chivalry always wins. It's true, being a gentleman never goes out of fashion. Women value men who are gentlemen even more now so because, well, a lot of guys aren't. It's not something that you need to learn how to do, you probably already know. It's doing things like hanging up her coat, opening the door for her, pulling out her seat and asking her about herself. Girls love the older guys typically because they do this a lot more than what a younger guy actually would. Be her rock. Could be that she's feeling not very stable. She is probably experiencing all sorts of emotions, plus she is busy figuring out what life is. Remember what that was like? She needs you, her older guy, to be her rock, to be there for her when she really needs you, to offer her advice and to give her the space to express her emotions. You are older and more mature, which means this is your time to shine. You can tell her that she will get through this period of her life and things will get better because, well, you've lived through many of those situations before. Be prepared for change. When you do date a younger woman, your life will change. It's inevitable and you have to be very willing to accept it. She will be living a completely different life to yours. Maybe she's partying all the time, spending a lot of time with friends, working multiple jobs and enjoying her hobbies. On a Saturday night, you might like to host a dinner party, but she might prefer to go out clubbing. It's not all about her and what she wants, but you do need to be able to change and adapt slightly. You are committed to changing up your lifestyle, but if you have a sought out younger woman to date you, well then you probably saw this coming. Don't give her all of your time. You are busy and so is she, and that's okay. Older men sometimes do make the mistake of thinking that younger women require them to be around all of the time, and it's not true. Younger women love to spend time independently and doing other things that are also important to them. So that means they don't want to hang around with the man that they are dating all of the time. Looking desperate, not a great look, and it's something that you need to avoid. So from the very beginning, try to not give her all of your time. Make yourself busy with your own life, your career, your friends and family. Make time for her, but don't be available all of the time. She will like you more and be easily seduced if you make her work for it a little bit. Leave your door open, not physically, but figuratively. If a younger woman seems to lose interest, then let her, but leave that door open for her to return if she wants to. It might just not have been the right time for her, and she might have needed to evaluate what she wants and who she wants to date. And that's why it's important to always end on a positive note and to stay in touch. Let her be independent. Younger women often date the older man because they don't want to be as serious as they might have to be if they were dating a younger man. They want to maintain their independence and also live the fun life they do when they are single, minus the dating of the guys. Although you might want her to be on your couch watching TV on a Friday night, she might want to be outside with her friends. Allow her to have this freedom and she's going to be far more likely to want to be seduced by you. Don't be creepy. Often men can sometimes be labelled as creepy. This isn't always fair, but sometimes it's because they stalk younger women and follow them around. It's important to remember that these tactics don't work and won't get you to the point where you are seducing a younger woman. They are just like any other woman. If you want things to go further, then you should talk to them, connect with them on an emotional level and flirt with them. If they are interested, they will signal that they are interested in you, and well, if they're not, leave them be. Show her that you can have control. A woman does not want to be controlled by a man, but a younger woman is looking for an older guy that has just a little bit of control. You can show her this side of you by choosing where you go for dinner or telling her a story about when you had to take charge at work. These are harmless ways of showing her that you do have control and you are able to make decisions easily. The younger woman often loves the power that the older guy has, so you need to find a way to show this off more. Be playful. Younger girls want an older man who can be playful. This does not mean that you need to act differently or younger than you really are. If you are dating a younger woman, then you are probably wanting someone that has that energy. You need to be able to match this so that she doesn't get bored. You could arrange a date on a beach or on a rope climbing course. Do things that you will both find fun and make sure that you just focus on having a great time and a little bit of romance. Allow her to bring out your fun, playful side and you will both love spending time together. I just mentioned this briefly, but don't try to act younger. It can be tempting as an older man to try and act younger to win over the younger women and keep up. If she wanted someone who acted like this though, she would date a younger man, right? She wants to date you because of your age and how you are. She would much rather you be your mature self than try and keep up with people her age. So introduce her to more things that you enjoy and wow, see how she reacts. Act differently from her friends. A younger woman's friends are probably into Snapchatting, Instagramming, and partying. So try to be different from them. Be more mature and show her how you are different. You can take her to do different things like visit museums or take her shopping. After you have been dating for a while, you could even take her on a nice holiday. These are things that she is unlikely to do with her younger friends and will make her really treasure this time with you. And if you are different from her friends, she will want to spend time with you so that you guys have a different experience together. Relax around her. You have to remember, a relationship is never a one-way thing. She has to impress you as well because you both have to like each other. The more that you can relax around her and be yourself, the more likely she is to be impressed by you. So when you relax around her, you will also come across as more confident, which is something the younger woman looks for in an older man. Dress well. Younger men are known for turning up to dates in tracksuits. Yep, it happens. And if a woman is dating an older man, then she wants to see your unique style. So make sure to always dress nicely on those dates and impress her with your fashion choices. A younger woman will go crazy for an older man in a suit, I promise. And there you go, we've reached the end of the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you liked this video or if I missed something very important from today's list. I hope this video has helped you gain a deep understanding of female psychology. Until the next video, like and subscribe. And if you want your name rolling up on this board like these people's names here, then all you have to do is click the link in the description bar below. Take care, bye bye.